Our mould of the month is a TS574, which is a small Faberge egg. All of our moulds have a channel which helps it stay flat on the table. I'm just going to put a small piece of blue tack at the bottom to stop any leaks. All of our moulds are made at our Scotland branch and are made from a hard-wearing flexible silicone which lasts a long time. You can wax the wick for a more stable burn. With this mould, because it's so detailed, just tap on the table just to help the wax get into all the gaps. And this mould takes about 1.5 hours to set. Now the candle is set, we can take it out the mould.